There are loads and loads of fun things to do in Osaka at night, but today I'm going to show you a super special activity. Osaka is big, and there's so much to do even after the sun sets. But it's hard to do and see everything the city has to offer. From now, I'm going to see and experience the city from a whole different angle. And I'm super excited because from now, I'm going to take a helicopter tour. Yay! So excited. I'll be taking a night cruise, flying over the city. Okay, this is it. Here we go. Tonight, I'm on a 20-minute flight, which takes me around Osaka City. And when signing up for the helicopter tour, you can actually choose which areas you'd like to visit and your flight time. This is so exciting! From here, I'm getting a greater view than the tallest skyscraper in all of Japan, Abe no Harukasu. And of course, I actually get to move around and see all sorts of spots too. Osaka Castle! Dotonbori! Oh, やっぱりネオンがすごい。Midosuji lights up. That was amazing, absolutely amazing. And I think that on camera, it probably looks fantastic, but if you actually experience it yourself, it's a whole different adrenaline rush. And I think everyone should try it. I really recommend it. I've lived in Japan a long time. I've never seen it from this angle. To see all those famous places that I know, just from the sky, and to be above Harukasu. Highly recommended. Please take a helicopter trip. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. For other special activities in Osaka at night, I also recommend Review Japan, an exciting show of singing and dancing performed by an all-female cast. And for another authentic Japanese experience, you can go and see a traditional Noh play at the Yamamoto Noh Theater. So that was incredible. A helicopter flight over Osaka. And it was really exciting for me because I live in Osaka, so I've seen all of those places, but never from a helicopter. So that was very, very cool. It was great to go alone, but it would definitely be more romantic if I was with my samurai. For more information, please check out the following.